Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. We are all set for the Sunday morning breakfast ride with the Aprilian group, and the time is around 5:15 in the morning. I'm just cold starting my RS457. As you can see here, it's still in cold mode. It's okay now. Let's start our first ride of 2025 with the Aprilia RS457. I'm going to take smooth and easy today because I'm not supposed to do speed runs since the bike is in break-in period. Initially they planned the ride till Mahabalipuram, but now they have extended it to MDK, which is Mudaliyarkuppam. The meeting point is going to be at JMB Aprilia. So we are going to start our ride from JMB Motoplex. We have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 RS457s out there, and our destination is going to be MDK. So let's get started, guys. I love those pink clouds which is all set to glow for the entire day. This is the routine route where I used to come for my work, and on a Sunday morning I am on a ride with the RS457 people. We are at OMR right now and they have stopped for fueling the bike. Right now our next stop will be at Satyabama University because there a group of RS457 riders are waiting. So once we reach there, we will get together with all the riders and we are going to start our journey. We are almost going to reach Satyabama University. Guys, I think we have reached our next stop, which is at Satyabama University, and here few of the riders are going to join with us. Such a peaceful morning here. So guys, this is the final lineup. My inner urge is asking me to push this bike to its limits, but no, I should not do that. I still have around 700 kilometers to complete my first service. Post that I will hit triple digits, 200 plus, anything I can do, but end of the day safety comes first. With all the good vibes, let's start our 2025 first ride on the Aprilia RS457. We are all done with the tea break and we are starting from here. Oh my god. I can see a crack on my Insta360 screen. Probably something should have hit that. Reaching the Kovalam checkpoint. Oh my god, I managed to catch up with these people just because of the signal. If not, I'll be too behind. I need to check the condition of my camera. I literally lost my mood when I saw the crack on the screen, and I feel that something is wrong with my tires. It's kind of a little bit wobbling. It's like, wait for me, I have got little legs movement for me. I will try to catch up with the crew. It's like I'm the sweep for this ride. I'm the one who is coming on the last. We are about to reach Mahabalipuram. They might be cruising at a speed of around 100 to 120, but today I can't do that. think the max I did was 87 kilometers per hour. Once we cross Kaltan Samutra, we know that we are going to reach Mahabalipuram. I think I need to check my air. It's been 2 weeks since I bought this bike, but till now I haven't checked the tire pressure on this bike because I can feel some wobble in the rear tire. Now the bike feels good. Alright, I have reached Mahabalipuram. I am going to call the lead for this ride. I called the lead. They told that they are not too far away from me. Okay, it's going to be a non-stop ride till Mudaliarkuppam. I will see you guys there. Probably by this time they would have reached Mudaliarkuppam, and I think it will take 5 to 10 kilometers for me to reach the destination. The max I did was 91 kilometers per hour. Guys, we have finally reached Mudaliarkuppam. Bro, what the fuck, bro? What the seems like they have stopped somewhere to take some photos and I crossed them. So now they have almost arrived. Okay. Okay. So finally all the RS457 riders arrived at MDK and we have clicked some photos here. It's time for us to leave back to Chennai. We have finally reached Chennai. We started our ride at early morning and we plan to return back to Chennai at around 10 o'clock. But due to some reasons there was a delay and now it's too late. The time is around 12 o'clock in the noon now. The overall distance which we covered during this ride is around 200 kilometers and the average which I got throughout this ride is 20 to 21 kmpl. The speed which I maintained was around 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. So no triple digit speeds till I complete my first service. The bike is due for service in another 452 kilometers. My body actually got adapted to this riding posture and I'm not feeling any stress on my back or on my shoulders. In another 20 minutes I'll be reaching my home. And finally we have successfully completed our first ride of this year on the RS457 and I'm feeling really happy for that. Stay subscribed on this channel for a lot more automotive contents, and I'm not only planning to make contents about the RS457 but also I'm planning to review the new bikes which are going to get launched in the upcoming months. The next video will be released on Friday evening and that's going to be a detailed explanation of the speedo console, Bluetooth and the navigation system on the RS457. So with a happy note, I'm ending this video over here. If I like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.